Is your Xfinity Wi-Fi acting up again? Nothing's more annoying than buffering videos or dropped connections when you just want to browse. Let's figure out why your internet isn't working and get you back online. First, the classic fix, a simple reboot. Unplug your Xfinity modem and router, wait about 60 seconds, then plug them back in. Give them a few minutes to fully restart and reconnect. This often clears minor glitches. Next, check your connections. Make sure all cables are firmly plugged into your modem and router. Look at the lights on your Xfinity equipment. Are they solid white or green? Blinking or orange lights can indicate a problem. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end. There might be a service outage in your area. You can quickly check by visiting the Xfinity website or using their My Account app. They'll often have updates on any known issues. And finally, it might be an account issue. Is your bill overdue? Did you recently change your service plan or equipment? Sometimes Xfinity will temporarily suspend service if there are billing problems or unreturned equipment. If you've tried all these steps and your Xfinity Wi-Fi is still not working, it's time to contact Xfinity customer support directly. They can run diagnostics and schedule a technician if needed. Subscribe for more amazing facts.